Look at that. Let's look up there. You guys see that? Guys, those are they're pretty cool birds. Look at that. Just get up closer. Look, guys, there's another flock over here. Look at that. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.